Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. 1. Which of the following organisms is a prokaryote? A. Amoeba. B. Escherichia coli. C. Paramecium. D. Hydra. Answer: B. Escherichia coli. Explanation: E. coli is a prokaryote because it lacks a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. 2. Which type of immunity is provided by vaccines? A. Natural active immunity. B. Artificial active immunity. C. Natural passive immunity. D. Artificial passive immunity. Answer: B. Artificial active immunity. Explanation: Vaccines stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies, providing active immunity artificially. 3. What is the major site of water reabsorption in the nephron? A. Bowman's capsule. B. Proximal convoluted tubule. C. Loop of Henle. D. Collecting duct. Answer: B. Proximal convoluted tubule. Explanation: The proximal convoluted tubule reabsorbs the majority of water, along with nutrients and ions. 4. Which of the following is an example of a sexually transmitted disease, STD? A. Tuberculosis. B. Syphilis. C. Malaria. D. Hepatitis A. Answer: B. Syphilis. Explanation: Syphilis is an STD caused by the bacterium Treponema pallidum. 5. What is the chromosomal theory of inheritance? A. Genes are located on chromosomes. B. Chromosomes control protein synthesis. C. Traits are determined by mitochondrial DNA. D. DNA exists in the cytoplasm. Answer: A. Genes are located on chromosomes. Explanation: The chromosomal theory of inheritance states that chromosomes carry genes, which determine heredity. 6. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of monocots? A. Netveined leaves. B. Taproot system. C. Scattered vascular bundles. D. Trimerous flowers. Answer: C. Scattered vascular bundles. Explanation: Monocots have scattered vascular bundles in their stems, unlike dicots which have a ring arrangement. 7. What is the final electron acceptor in aerobic respiration? A. NADH. B. FADH. C. Oxygen. D. ATP. Answer: C. Oxygen. Explanation: Oxygen acts as the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain during aerobic respiration. 8. Which of the following is an example of incomplete dominance? A. Hemophilia. B. Sickle cell anemia. C. Pink flowers in snapdragon. D. Above blood grouping. Answer: C. Pink flowers in snapdragon. Explanation: In snapdragons, red and white flowers result in pink offspring, demonstrating incomplete dominance. 9. What is the primary function of bile in digestion? A. Digestion of proteins. B. Digestion of carbohydrates. C. Emulsification of fats. D. Absorption of nutrients. Answer: C. Emulsification of fats. Explanation: Bile emulsifies fats, breaking them into smaller droplets for easier digestion by lipases. 10. Which enzyme is responsible for the replication of DNA? A. RNA polymerase. B. DNA polymerase. C. Helicase. D. Ligase. Answer: B. DNA polymerase. Explanation: DNA polymerase synthesize new DNA strands during replication by adding nucleotides to the template strand. Please subscribe for more video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.